Types of articles.
When reading a scientific journal article, it's essential to identify the type of article you are reading. Many articles are original, meaning they report the findings of new research in which the authors collected and analyzed their own data before publishing the results. When data is gathered through methods such as in-depth interviews, focus groups, and participant observations, it is considered qualitative research. But in quantitative research, data is collected by counting or measuring various variables and then analyzed using statistical methods. In qualitative research, results are influenced by the researcher's perspective, so they might differ if another researcher does the same study. But in quantitative research, since it relies on objective measurements and statistics, results are consistent, regardless of who conducts it. In qualitative study, we mainly look for in-depth insights into experiences, perspectives, and meanings behind people's behaviors and interactions. While in quantitative research, we look for measurable data to identify patterns, relationships, and generalizations across variables. Quantitative research includes four major study designs: cross-sectional, case control, cohort, and trials. That we can categorize them as observational and interventional. Interventional studies are experimental, means the researcher actively changes a variable to observe its effects on the participants. Cross-sectional studies are like a snapshot, they're descriptive and good for calculation of prevalence. Prevalence is the proportion of a population that has a particular condition or characteristic at a specific time. Here, data are collected at a single point in time. The rest of quantitative methods are analytical. In cohort studies, we can calculate the incidence of a condition. Incidence is the number of new cases of a condition occurring in a population over a specific period. Case control design is retrospective, meaning we look at data from the past. Cohorts are mostly prospective, and we gather data toward future. Here is a summary of what we learned about original articles. Another important type of scientific article is the systematic review. That reviews related original articles on a specific question and analyzes all their findings, using a structured method to ensure comprehensive and unbiased results. And when a systematic review includes new statistical analyses of the studies reviewed, it is known as a meta-analysis.
Thank you for watching.